Hi, and welcome to the fifth video in this series. Today we will be looking at the different distance metrics and the hue, saturation, and brightness sliders. The distance metric is what decides which color will be chosen from the target palette based on the color in the image. We have four different options: red mean, OCLAB, CA-day, and luminance. Red mean is a fast-weighted Euclidean distance in RGB space. It applies slightly higher weight to red at high red values and to blue at low red values based on how human eyes perceive color differences. Good balance of speed and accuracy for general use. OCLAB converts colors to the OCLAB perceptual color space before comparing. OCLAB is specifically designed so that equal numerical distances correspond to equal perceived differences, much better than RGB-based metrics for finding visually closest colors, especially across hue shifts. CA-day to mil is the most perceptually accurate metric. It's the industry standard, used in print and color science, with correction factors for hue, chroma, and lightness interactions that other metrics miss. Slowest of the four, but produces the most human eye accurate results. Worth it for palettes with subtle color differences. Luminance ignores hue and saturation entirely, only matches by brightness. Every pixel gets mapped to whichever palette color has the closest perceived lightness. Useful for grayscale conversions or for creating stylized effects where you want to preserve the light-dark structure of the original image while applying a palette's tonal range. We also have three sliders that can be used to change the hue, the saturation, and the brightness. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, feel free to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.